Hello, everyone. My name is Laquanda Oyame, and this is the Introduction to Library Resources and Services. Many of you are new to Texas A&M. You're probably a transfer student, new to the campus, a freshman, or this may be a whole new college experience for you. Well, this course will kind of help you get acclimated about the library resources and services and how it can be helpful to you in your academic career. All right, so who am I? Well, my name is Laquanda, and I am from Rochester, New York. So, as you can see me on the side, just a kid from Rochester. I lived Rochester, New York is near Buffalo, so it's from upstate New York, very, very cold. So yes, I am a librarian here at Texas A&M. I'm currently pursuing my master's in education technology here at GIGM. I have a master's in library and information studies, and I have an undergrad dual degree in psychology and sociology. My past experience was mental health counselor, e-resource management specialist, and I had various job roles through my professional career and unprofessional career. My hobbies include painting in my spare time. So if you take a look, this is a recent painting that I did. I really like kind of like painting online, following tutorials on YouTube. When I have time, like visiting friends and family. And I kind of like I've been creating a side project called WOC Plus Live. It's a digital platform where me and my co-founder created to help librarians, women of color, to write about their librarianship, research initiatives, all types of cool ideas that's happening in libraries nationally and internationally, and have it, be housed on our site, you know. So yeah, so that's a little bit about me. So what will you be learning in this class? All right. So by the end of the session, students will be able to identify where they can get help in the library. All right. You'll also be able to describe the cost of scholarly information on the open web versus in the library. You will also be able to identify different types of scholarly resources. You may not know the different terms now, but no worries. By the end of these different couple weeks of you working with me, you'll feel more comfortable and confident, and you'll walk away knowing so much more. And I will be here every step of the way during this process. So this is the coursework roadmap. I was in your shoes. I am in your shoes, so I understand. So what will be asked of you? So introduction to the libraries, and we'll be using Blackboard Ultra. So what you're on now, that's how you're accessing it. Will be divided by different weeks. So in week one module, you'll be asked to view the happy video, and there'll be a reflection post that you will be asked to complete, also introducing yourself. Finding help in the library is a scavenger hunt. It's an activity. You'll be working in groups, and then you'll be writing a reflection post as well as, I guess, that price. It's a pre-assessment, and it's going to be there for you to also learn more, if you can also accomplish those learning outcomes and discussion posts. All that information is located in the week modules, very detailed, walk through step by step, videos, tutorials, all those great things. So you will definitely have all the tools you need to be able to feel confident in getting through this, and you will have your peers as well to rely on. My contact information is located right here. LNYEMEH@library.tamu.edu. Please schedule a meeting with me. You can stop by, my office. I'm located on campus. If you are here, and then virtually, I do virtual meetings. We can do WebEx, Google Hangouts, Skype, wherever you are comfortable. I have an iPhone, so I'll even do FaceTime. So definitely I'm here for you, just to help you get acclimated, because I am a first generation college student, so I understand how intense it can be. I went to a smaller campus, but so I don't even can't even think to imagine how it would be to just be on a bigger campus. So I want you to feel comfortable in knowing that there is a community, a supportive community here to help you navigate through all this new different things that are here. Okay. Next, I thought this would be very, very helpful. Additional resources. So if any of you out there have ADA issues or need ADA assistance, there is a link so you can go and figure out, how to navigate through that. There's also student disability services on campus. There's a link, student counseling services, multi-services, multicultural services. I see the typo, so we'll fix that. Services at TAMU. You can also go there. There's also different communities as well. I was looking on the website and saw there's first generation communities. So first generation college student communities. There's all different types of learning communities. So definitely take an opportunity to check that out. GLBT, Gender, Lesbian, Bisexual, Transgender Center at TAMU, and the veterinary services. Take definitely, if any of these things apply to you, or even if they don't, take an opportunity to explore, to get connected with others in the community, or if you want to be a part of different communities. I think this is definitely a good way to expand your network and make some friends and just start developing some networks here while you are on your experience. Becoming a scholar here at Texas A&M. If there's anything I can do for you, definitely reach out to me. Again, my contact information is here, and all through the module, you can find my contact information. These slides are downloadable. So, yeah. All right, then. Thank you, and have a great day. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Bye.